Hi, hello, namaste. This is Harshita. Today I'm going to show you very simple dotted nail art which you can do at your home. If you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start now. For today's nail art, I'm going to use pink color, white color, black color, green color, blue color, red color and yellow. And I'm going to use Fevicol for cleaning the sides and this pointed tool for doing the design. Okay guys, this was very easy and simple design which you can do by yourself. I use multicolors for doing this design. You can use whichever color you like. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment and share. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press notification bell icon. Namaste.